continue with the same chapter. Next topic is our what? Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion means what? When object is in motion, that may be uniform motion, may be non-uniform motion. Uniform motion means what? Covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Suppose a moving object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. For example, 2 meter per second. Okay. Again 2 meter it covers in 1 second. So again in 2 meter per second. That means it is not changing its speed. Okay. That means speed remains same. So covers when a moving object covers equal distance. That means 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter in each second. So it is not changing. That means speed is not changing. Such type of motion is called what? Uniform motion. That means how to define uniform motion? Uniform motion means what? When an object in motion covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Equal distance in equal interval. Here 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second. Okay, so we say it is what? Uniform motion. For example, any example you can say for uniform motion? When a train starts from a particular station, okay, and the mid of its journey, mid distance, when it covers the middle distance, so that time its speed remains same. For example, suppose 50 km per hour, 50 km per hour, like that. Okay, but when it is approaching the station and when it is leaves from the station, that time it is different. But at the middle distance, means the middle part of the motion, it remains same. That means that time it covers what? Equal distance in equal interval time, and we say it is what? Uniform motion. Now what is non-uniform motion? Now non-uniform motion means the object in motion covers unequal distance. Okay, unequal distance in equal interval of time. That means suppose when you are traveling in on a road and the road having what? Lot of potholes and all, and when you are riding a bicycle, and that time you have to constantly you have to increase and decrease your speed according to overcome that potholes. So that time your speed is changing. That means you are covering over different distance. That means for example 3 meter in 1 second, and the other second means you are covering 4 meter in next second. Then after you cover what? 5 meter in 1 second. That means every second, no, your distance whatever you are covering, no, that is changing because of the path. So such type of motion is called non-uniform motion. So how to define non-uniform motion? Non-uniform motion means when an object in motion covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. Unequal distance in equal interval of time, we say the motion is non-uniform motion. Perfect uniform motion, it is hardly to achieve. Most of the time we find the motion is non-uniform motion. That means the object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. Any example you can give for non-uniform motion? Just now we discussed the motion in a crowded road, okay, and uniform motion when a train is traveling from one station to another station. So in between the path, that is called what? Uniform motion. Also the earth moves around the sun. That is also an example of uniform motion. So you understood, no, what are uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Now next topic is our acceleration. Now acceleration is what? Change in velocity per unit time. Acceleration is change in velocity per unit time. Now we have discussed, no, vector quantity and scalar quantity. So acceleration will be vector quantity or scalar quantity.